Hello everyone, today another product update. In this section tools, there is a new tool. It is Robots.txt multi-tool. We all know that keeping an eye on your Robots.txt, validating your Robots.txt, checking the performance of it, it is truly vital. It impacts your grow budget, it impacts your site visibility, site reachability for the Google bot, site indexability at the end of the day. So robots.txt file is very important for your SEO. And right now you have a very handy tool inside the JetOctopus where you can easily check your robots.txt of any page. Right now I will demonstrate you how easy it is. So just entering the needed URL, you get all the information like status code, the size, load time, then all possible bots, if they are allowed or disallowed. Let's check another page. And here we see that all bots are disallowed. Pricing page. This is not an error, actually. That is our decision. You can click and you will find where exactly it is disallowed. So if it was by error, by accident, like another page, product page, take a SEO audit, must be opened, but I want to check. And everything is good. It is allowed. So it is located in Tools section, Robots.txt multi-tool, very handy, very quick, and very user-friendly. So please use it and pay attention how many tools there are in Tools section if in case you don't use them all. Thanks a lot for your attention and have a great day.